Good afternoon, everyone. So this is the class 8, chapter 14, DAV Secondary Mathematics book. Now we are going to explain faces, edges, and vertices. So we know that faces is the plane surface of any solid. Solid means here the solid having some volume, solid has some length, breadth, and height also. And solid have, if there is no length, breadth and height, then there will be line segments in the solid. So here I have drawn a cuboid in which here this is the length and this is breadth and this is height. So, and we know that in a cuboid each faces are rectangular. Each faces is rectangle. So now, how many faces are there? So here first I have written A, B, C, and D. So this is a rectangular face. So ABCD is a face. Similarly, this is ABCD, and down in the bottom, EFGH is also a face. Both rectangles are same, congruent, means their shape and size are same. Now I have written ADHE, yeah, EH. So ADEH, this is also a rectangular shape. So it is also a face. Face is the plane surface or flat surface of any solid figure. So now in the opposite, this is also a rectangle. This is also a rectangle. BCGF is also a face. Now ABFE is also a face, rectangular face, and opposite इसके क्या है? DCGH, it is DCGH जो है वो भी face है. So we see that there are how many number of faces in the cuboid? So 6 faces. If we will denote F is the number of faces, so 6. And now, where the two faces, now the vertex is the point where the two edges meet. Edges कहते हैं ये, जैसे मान लेते हैं ये line segment. AB is a line segment, it is called edge. BC is also a line segment, it is called edge. CD is a line segment, it is called edge. AD is a line segment, it is called edge. Line segment, you know that. Line segment is the part of a line which has two end points. So here these are the edges. So suppose AB is the edge and AE is the edge. Both meet at the point A. So A point is called vertex. So here there are how many number of vertices? C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So there are 8 EFGH. So number of vertices is equal to 8. So V is taken as number of vertices. Now I will take here edges. Edges we will take. What is edges? So the secondary mathematics, secondary class 8 secondary school mathematics. So now we will see edge. Edge is the line segment containing in the solid figure. सॉलिड फिगर में जो लाइन सेगमेंट कंटेन करता है, सॉलिड फिगर में जो लाइन सेगमेंट कंटेन करता है, that is called edge. So here this is the cuboidal. So AB is one of the line segments. So AB is also edge. Now BC is also edge. DC or CD is also edge, AD is also edge. Similarly, EF is edge, EF is edge, HG is edge, HG is edge, FG is also edge, and then lastly EH is edge. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of edges is denoted, suppose that E. So number of edges is equal to 8. Okay. So we see that if we add here so these are the, here we see that in a cuboid there are 6 faces, 8 vertices and 8 edges. So now let us see how many number of edges AB. 1, 2, 1 edges are, I think more edges are here because AB, BC, CD, AD, and then I have taken EF, G, HG, then FG and EH. Now a vertical I have not taken. So vertical is also not 8, so it will be more edge. There will be 12 edge. AE is also edge. AE, then DH, then
GF.
CG,
Yes.
CG, and then BF. So there are number of edges is 12, I think. So it will be 12. So here, if we will see that 8, this is the 8, and here edge is equal to C. Edge is equal to 12, base is equal to 6, vertices is equal to 8. So this is 12. If we will take F plus V, means F plus V means number of faces. Number of faces is 6 and vertices is what? 8. So it will become 14. And if we will take edge plus 2 we will take. So edge is equal to 12 and then you will take it always plus 2. So it is also 14. So this equation and this is second equation I have taken. So we see that the number of faces, the sum of the number of faces and the number of vertices and the sum of the 2 added to the number of edges, it is also equal to 14. Both are equal. So from these two, we conclude that F plus V is equal to E plus 2. So this is the formula given by Euler. So this is called Euler formula. Or someone is also called Euler formula. He had a lot of contribution in higher mathematics. So I think you will understand in this phase Euler formula satisfies. Good afternoon everyone. So now I have drawn here a polyhedron. Polyhedron is a figure in which there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So there are 5 faces. It is a type of solid having 5 faces, 5 plane surface. So here A, B, C, D, E. So this is the polyhedron. and here this point A where edge is meeting. Suppose this is AD's edge and AC is edge. So this is a vertex. B is also a vertex. C is also a vertex. And D is also a vertex. E is also a vertex. So now vertices, how many number of vertices? Vertices we see that A, B, C, D and E. So there are 5 vertices. So V is equal to 5 in a polyhedron. Now faces we will count. How many number of faces? The faces are the plane surface containing in a solid figure. So faces. Faces, how many number of faces we will count here? ACD. ACD is a triangular face. Then next face is I will write AED. This. Then I will write ABC. This is also a face, triangular face. Next is ABE. So ABE. So this is also a face. Now say this is also a face in the base. So it is not a triangular, it is a quadrilateral face. It is a quadrilateral face. So B, C, D, E. So this is a quadrilateral set face. Quadrilateral. इसको कहते हैं the plane figure bounded by the 4 sides इस quadrilateral चतुर्भुज है जिसको हम लोग 4 साइड से घिरा हुआ है. तो फेसेस का काउंट करें 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of faces is equal to 5. Number of vertices 5. Now we will find out edges. How many number of edges in a polyhedron? So edges means the line segment joining the 2 vertex.
Sir, 1, 2,
The
3,
line
4, 5.
segment joining the 2 vertex. So here AC, AD, AB, AE, what is AC, AC, AD, AB, and this, and then BE, then BE, BC, CD, and then ED also, ED. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more is no. See 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 8 edges. So now E is equal to what? 8 edges. Now we will see number of faces and vertices. Face plus vertices. So number of faces is here 5. Number of vertices is also 5. So we will get 10. F plus V is equal to 10. This is taken as equation number 1. And E means number of edges plus 2 we will do. Because Euler has given that the 2, if we will add 2 in the edges. So here we see that 8 is the number of edges. 8 plus 2, it is also equal to 10. So from 1 and 2, it is clear both are equal to 10. So face plus vertices is equal to edge plus 2. So if we will bring edge, number of edge in this side, F plus V minus E is equal to 2. So this is the formula. This is also the formula. Same formula, but E is taken in this side. So the sum of face and vertices and subtracted by the number of edge is always equal to 2. This is the statement given by Euler, and this formula is called Euler formula. Euler's formula. So it will applicable only for the solid surface which contains face, edges and vertices. Now here prism is what? Prism is a polyhedron. Polyhedron whose top and base are congruent. Congruent figures are those plane figures whose shapes and size are same. So in a prism, there are two triangular shaped figure and remaining faces are parallelogram. So here I have drawn a prism. Prism are made with the help of transparent glasses or with the help of transparent plastic, or plastic is also used. We know that if the ray of light passes through the prism, it divides into 7 colors, vigors. We will remember it in the later vigor, violet, blue, green, indigo. इस तरह का है. There are 7 colors. Red also. So that is called the scattering of light. That is called the dispersion of light. Now here we have to learn in a mathematics, because how many number of vertex are here? A, B, C, E, F, G. So vertex. So number of vertex I have written 6. So here it is 6. And number of edges. Edges is the line segment joining the two vertex. So AB, AC, BC, फिर EF, FG, EG, AE, BF and CG. All edges I have written. There are 9 edges. Vertex is 6 and faces. Faces means the plane surface containing in the prism or polyhedron is known as faces. So faces is ABC is a triangular face. ABC is the triangular face 1. Now EFG is also a triangular face. Other faces which are in the other faces are parallelogram, special type of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. So here this and this are parallel. This and this line are parallel. Here this line are parallel line segments, and this will be parallel. Here this and this is parallel, and this and parallel. So now you see here A, E, G, C, E, F, B, C, A, E, F, B. This is also a parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
A, C, G, F. A, C, G, E. It is also a parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the front side, B, C, G, F. It is also a parallelogram. It looks like a rectangle, but every rectangle is a parallelogram. So there are how many number of faces? 5 faces. So if we will add number of faces plus number of vertices, we will get 5 plus 6, this is 11.
Yes, sir.
And if 2 is added to the number of edges, we will get 9 plus 2, it is also 11. So from these two, F plus B, number of faces plus number of vertices is equal to edges plus 2. If we will bring E in this side, we will get the Euler formula. F plus B minus E is equal to 2. So this is the thing. So prism also satisfies the Euler formula. Now, video is going to be very long. That is why I am concluding this video. So if you are understanding, class 8 students of DAV board as well as DAV schools and all the students of class 8 of other CBSE schools, who will see the video, you just go through from the beginning to the end, as well as you will like, subscribe and share, and please press the bell icon. Please like the video if you are understanding everything. What is Euler formula? I think in all these cases, polyhedron, cuboid and prism, we have discussed what is the Euler formula. So in the Euler formula, the number of faces, number of vertices subtracted by number of edges is always equal to 2. This equation is known as Euler formula. So please try to like the video and see the full video from the beginning to end. Thank you. Bye bye. So many class 8 topic of mathematics videos in my channel, Mathematics Rose by Sajid Akhtar. If you will find out, you will get so many videos, more than I think 50 videos you will get, and many chapters of mathematics have been discussed there. So please आप लोग देखिए और अपना ज्ञान को बढ़ाएं, और प्लीज़ लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें. इफ़ यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, प्लीज़ आस्क मी. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.